AI is everywhere, from the voice assistant on your phone to the recommendations you get on Netflix. But how does this technology actually work behind the scenes? Today, we're breaking it down in simple terms before AI changes everything faster than you think. Stick around. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a way for computers to learn from data and make decisions, almost like a human brain, but much faster. It's not magic. It's math, algorithms, and tons of data working together. You might hear terms like machine learning or deep learning. These are methods AI uses to get smarter over time. Think of a neural network like a web of connected nodes, similar to neurons in your brain. These networks analyze huge amounts of data to find patterns. For example, when you show AI thousands of pictures of cats, it learns what a cat looks like by recognizing common features like fur, eyes, and ears. This training is like teaching a child through examples, except AI learns from millions of examples quickly and keeps improving. The more and better quality data it gets, the smarter it becomes. You've already seen AI in action. Voice assistants like Siri or Alexa use AI to understand your commands. Recommendation engines on Netflix or YouTube suggest videos based on what you watch. Even your email spam filter uses AI to protect you. AI also powers self-driving cars, medical diagnoses, and fraud detection in banks. The range is vast, and it's growing every day. Here's the catch. AI technology is evolving incredibly fast. New models like GPT-4 are pushing the boundaries daily. That means the knowledge you need to keep up is always changing. Getting left behind means missing out on tools that could change how you work and live. So, understanding the basics of AI isn't just for tech experts anymore. It's becoming essential for everyone. To stay ahead in a world powered by AI, you need to understand how it works and what it can do. If you found this helpful, subscribe to ChavaByte for more clear, quick tech breakdowns. Your daily bite of tech, every day in under a minute.